Oh, so sad.
A red-tailed hawk.
So we got 2 buckaroos. We're just gonna make a lightweight little duckling tractor until they get old enough to go in with the chickens. Are repurposed. These are treated off of somebody's dock. Maybe they can get us through a couple months. We'll see. Wow. It's pretty open. This is just going to be during the day to keep them safe from hawks for the most part. They're going to go in the coop at night with probably the chickens. Might be a little bit of a shade area, and this also can lift off so that if we need to get in there and get them, we can do that pretty quickly. We put hardwood cloth right here on 3 sides. So let's say for some reason they're trying to hide from something, get away from something grabbing them, they can go over here and at least hide until we hear them making all the noise. It's lightweight because we use the 2x2s.
How do you open it?
Oh, that big tank going over there. Where's the other one? Can you reach it?
Then we like it.
You think the ducks like it?